Hello friends, today we are going to illustrate one interesting subject, that is image processing. It is offered in semester 7 as an elective subject. Myself Dharmesh Tank from computer department as a resource person for this subject. First we go through the outlines of this subject where we contain the teaching scheme, which book you need to refer, what and why the image processing, what are the need of image processing, introduction of digital image processing, history of image processing, fundamental steps in digital image processing. Also the tools which you need to perform the practical we need to find out over here. Next about the teaching scheme, where we contain 4 lectures in a week with one lab session which will provide the practical enhancement idea about the image processing process. The subject contains total 5 credit, with which the evaluation scheme for theory marks, it is 70 marks paper. The mid-sem exam contains 30 marks, CIA and practical exam contain 20 and 30 marks. Total 150 marks evaluation scheme consists by this subject. The textbook which is highly recommended for digital image processing subject is Rafael C. Gonzalez and Richard E. Woods for the 3rd edition. Digital image processing provide other references book where you can find out the more material of this subject. E-resource, the NPTEL provide an image processing course online which you can join and learn parallelly with this subject. imageprocessingplace.com is a website where you can find all the edition book of DIP, that is digital image processing, the material, the exercise and all the resource material is available at that site. Now what is image processing? An image may be a 2-dimension X and Y such that a photo or a screen display, as well as a 3-dimension, that is X, Y, Z, such that a statue or hologram. You can directly correlate with that. An image is a 2D representation of 3D world. Whenever you are clicking any image, you are actually clicking a 3D object and converting into 2D image. An image can be represented in the form of matrix. It can be divided into basically 2 parts, that is analog and digital. What is the image processing? It is a method to perform some of the operation on the image in order to get an enhanced image or to extract some useful information from it. As the processing part is there, we are processing over image to get some useful information from it. Next point, it is a type of signal processing in which input is an image and output may be an image or characteristic feature associated with that. We need to find out some of the output from a single image or as an input image, which will provide as an output different kind of characteristic or features. Pixel is the smallest unit of any digital image that can be represented as a use of the smallest unit of any image. Now the history of image processing. In 1920, one of the first application of digital image was in the newspaper industry, that the Bartlett cable picture transmission service. In figure 1, you can identify that first picture from telegraphic printer will be produced. In mid 1920, some improvement has to be taken by the Bartlett system and results some high quality image which will shown in figure 2 and figure 3. In 1964, computer processing techniques were used to improve picture of moon transmitted by the laser 7 at JPL. This was the basic of modern image processing technique. Some of the image will give the idea that how the image processing has been done in figure 4, 5 and 6 at the time of 1964 earlier ages of that image processing. In 1970, the digital image processing began to be used in the medical application highly. In 1979, Sir Godfrey and Housefield and Professor Alan M. Cronmax shared the Nobel Prize in the medicine for the invention of tomography, the technology behind the computerized Excel tomography, that is CAT scan. In figure 7, you can find out that typical head slice image from the upper side, which will be provided as a CAT image, which is used for the image processing purpose. What is the image processing need? Improvement of the pictorial information for human perception, which is highly recommended use by human interpretation as well as the analysis purpose. Image processing for the autonomous machine application, that is always recommended for the machine part. Efficient storage and transmission are highly required by the use of the image processing scenario. Here you can say the image enhancement example. By looking the difference between two images side by side, you can find out that how the image can be enhanced from one, that source image, to the destination image. Same way here, the another example which consists the image enhancement part. This one is more example. Consider the image enhancement, which is give the blur image to the image enhancement and providing you the some useful information from it. Now the uses, we can find out that different kind of infrared and thermal images are there. Here the circuitry where you can find out the thermal image. Infrared image and thermal image is highly recommended in the army sector. In recent COVID-19 situation, have you find out many places that body temperature has been measured by the thermal image scanning. So here the image processing has to be take place. IR and UV imaging are most efficient way to denote the image processing scenario, where in the image you can find out the volcano situation through the image and how the temperature has been rise will be denoted in the reddish form, which give you the ultraviolet image sensing. In war zone, night vision are the most effective way for image processing. For sun exploration part, we can just find out many volcano has been generated during the sun, and that will be find out easily or understand by the UV imaging. In the medical field area, as we have already talked about, it is hardly used section. In the ultrasound, we can easily denote that how the baby is behaving with a image processing scenario. X-ray are the most important part of the medical field. You can find out any broken part without any prerequisite requirement. You can just go through the image processing scenario and it will give you the basic idea that which bone has to be broken. Like CT scan, recently we can just find out this is the most useful treatment or most useful analyzing part in the medical sector, which you give the image of different body part to analyze it. Remote sensing and satellite images also play a vital role by using the image processing, where you can find out the green vegetable and soil zone from the remote sensing image. Our college that has been directly denoted from the satellite image, and you can understand the scenario that which area has been covered over here and how interesting this view is. This is the light view from the satellite, which is produced by the Synthesis.com. This gives you a basic idea that how much lights from the space you can see to a specific country, and it will generate again a satellite image to understand it. Image processing basically include the following 3 steps, which you need to be find out: that importing the image via image acquisition tool, analyzing and manipulating the image, and the last, that is output, in which result can be altered image or report that it based on image analysis. We can bifurcate the fundamental steps into these 12 steps. That is, first has to be a problem domain which contains with the image acquisition tool. After that, we need to filter the image and enhance it. After filtering and enhancement part, image restoration has to be take place. Image restoration, after the image restoration, we need to go for color image processing, where you can find out many color identification in the form of RGB and YRB. Wavelet and multi-resolution processing is provided in chapter 7, and after that the compression has to be take place, which is the highly used to reduce the compressing of an image without affecting or without disclose the data from the image. Morphological operation has been again used to detect the edges of the different kind of object. After that, segmentation has to be take place, where segment you can divide the image into different segment and identify your respective information. Representation and description have take place during this scenario. At last but not least, that object recognition system take place to identify which object is there in the image. The whole this scenario is belonging to knowledge base, so we need to have some images through which we can find out all this operation, and all these operation are the summarization of your digital image processing. Next is component of image processing. We can find out total 7 components, where the image display is there, computer is there, mass storage is there, hard copy, specialized image processing hardware, image processing software, image sensor, as well as the problem domain. This all has to be make an image processing component simultaneously to perform or to identify an image process or not. Last, the tools which we need to use during this subject, those are MATLAB or Scilab. You can prefer any one because both are near to same, but the MATLAB has been used for the professional purpose, and in industry area MATLAB is widely used. Whether Scilab is an open source software which you provide free of cost and educational purpose. In our next session, we will identify more digital image processing steps in elaborative way. Thank you.